Well, Wooly here. I got a new hat, so I gotta make a hat rack. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, I'm in the shed, my very messy shed that everybody is very quick to point out. Guys, I got a new hat, right? And it is an Akubra Cattleman hat, and it's a nice hat. And a nice hat deserves a nice place to go. So instead of me just hanging it up on the edge of the curtain rail, I've decided to make a hat rack, because we have various hats similar to this in the house, and a hat rack would be nice. So I'm going to make this very simple. I got these little things here, little ceramic tops on them. I got them on eBay for about a tenner, maybe for 5 of them. And what I have here is I have a very interesting piece of wood. Okay, it is pallet wood, and I've already given it a good heavy sand, but I'm just going to give it a light sand here to finish it off, and then I'm either going to put some linseed oil on it, or I'm going to put some wax. If I can find my wax, I will put the wax on it, because the wax is nicer. It's a nicer finish. Okay, that's pretty much it. So you would probably call this a rustic steampunk hat rack. Okay, guys, look, I like this crack. I like breaking the nails off and leaving them in. Okay, so you get these nice little silver bits that will contrast with the stain, or with the darkness of the wood when you get the varnish, or whatever your finish is going to be on it. I think that's pretty cool. So I'm just giving the back of it just a light sand. Where's my wax? Can't find it. As so often happens with these very simple jobs, they end up becoming a wee bit more, and you end up having to tidy. To tidy-ish. Okay, so I'm going to use the boiled linseed oil, guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a cloth, right, and just going to rub it in. Slap it on. Doesn't really matter about the table here, guys, about the worktop, because it's full of chainsaw oil and everything anyway, so. This is the bit you have to be careful about, the splinters. And I'm not talking about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Check that out. And just look down it, check to make sure there's no real heavy bits. Just wipe it, rub it down. I gotta figure out my positions. I'm trying to get one in the middle. How many have I? So what I'll do is I'll put one in the middle, and then I'll figure the rest out. So it's probably going to be one in about 3 inches. Same on the other side. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, and then I'll split the difference for the other 2 to give as much space as possible for the brims of the hats. And that is pretty much it. There's not a lot of thumping involved in this. That's it. All done. All done. All done. Now I just need to hang it. Check it out. It's cool, isn't it? Gonna make sure I have some decent screws here. They don't. So this is where I'm putting it. Right. It's gonna go roughly about there, where that line is. You see that? See that? Okay. So what that means is that then hat will hang like that. Big hats like that. As per usual, I'm trying to do it fast because I have to be somewhere and it's just all going horribly wrong. How can this go horribly wrong, you ask yourself? Well, Wooly's involved. Wooly is involved. Right, let's screw this in. Take 856. Now, 1, 2, 3, and room for 2 more hats. There you have it, guys. Look. Rustic hat rack thing. Rustic steampunk hat rack made from a pallet. Exercise in patience. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty.